Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Once again, thanks for coming and dropping by. So, this is a review of the Pop Sonic Mister Refresh, Rehydrate, and Rejuvenate. This was on QVC, and I didn't purchase it on QVC, but I got it from TJ Maxx. But anyways, I'm going to show you how it works because when I first got it, I thought, what the heck is that? And I think it's pretty interesting. It could just be a gimmick, but I'll show you how it works. So, we have this cute little packaging. On the back it shows you the different styles. I have the purple one. It comes in blue, purple, gray, and pink. You open it up like this, and inside it holds, your Pop Sonic Mister. I have already put water in it for purposes of demonstrating. So this is what it looks like. Very sleek packaging, kind of a metallic finish. This is metal. A little heart button says Pop Sonic. This is the hole where the water will come out, and this is your water reservoir. And this is where you twist it off to fill with water. So you can twist it off and fill it with water right here. And I don't think you can pop this off. I originally thought you popped this off, but it makes more sense to pour it through this hole right here. So then you just spin it back on, and voila. It also comes with a little backup water holder, so you can fill this with water and keep it in your purse, your backpack, whatever you should need to have backup water. It comes with this charging port cord, so you plug this into a wall wart, the thing your cell phone plugs into. You plug this into it. And then you plug this into the bottom right here to charge it. And then this will turn colors as it's charging. So then the cool thing about this is it also is a battery bank. So I can turn it around, use the USB end and plug it in, and then I can plug this into my cell phone. Well, I can't plug this into my cell phone because it's the wrong kind. Dagnabbit. I'll have to get a converter. And this will charge your cell phone. So it's like a battery bank that also is a mister. So underneath the foaming stuff that held it in there is a cute little bag to hold it in your bag that you can put this in, and you can put the Pop Sonic inside of it, as well as the charger if you so desire. Ta-da! Now I can put it in my bag and go, and I have it. Now I have water in this. How does it work? You take this little heart button right here and you press it twice, and it will begin to send out this mist. Hopefully you can see this on camera. Now you take this and you go all over your face, and it doesn't feel like water drops. It doesn't even feel like a setting spray. It just feels very cooling. Like if I'm this close, I can feel the water. If I hold it out here, I barely feel the water. It just feels like a nice mist. It will go for 2 minutes and then shut off automatically if you were to leave it on. So if you're sitting here just basking in it, in 2 minutes, it will go off. So if you desire to turn it off before 2 minutes are up, you press this heart twice, and it will shut off. And then you can pop it back in your bag and take it with you. This is what it looks like up close. Water tank, base, button, and then the back is just sleek. This is the bottom where you have the USB port and the charging area. This is what tells you that it's a battery powered bank, and there she goes. Now we'll pack it up in the little bag, my extra water, and my charging cord. This is kind of cool looking. It's like clouds. Woo! I personally haven't used this on an everyday basis yet. This is the first time I've used it today, so I can't personally say whether this will be something I totally love, but it was really hot out today and I would like it for that reason. And when I'm at the raspberry patch or the pumpkin patch that my in-laws own, working for them, when it gets really hot, this will be nice. Granted, it's becoming fall, so it's going to get cooler, but this would be something really nice to have with you in the hot months. Also, if you want to kind of add some moisture to your makeup look, I feel like this might actually make it better, like a setting spray, except more subtle, and you're not going to get those water droplets. This could basically be a refreshener throughout the day. And I'm going to be trying this, and I'll probably put it in another one of my makeup videos if I ended up really liking this. I think it's pretty sleek. It's pretty. I love that it's a battery bank. The only sad thing is I'm going to have to go get an adapter for my cell phone because I have Google Pixel 2 XL. And so I'll have to get an adapter because this is not the right port. But anyways, I'm excited to try this. I hope this was informative to you. If you wanted to find anything about this PopSonic Mister. Thanks for watching this review, guys. I hope it was helpful. And I hope to see you back on my channel. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and favorites. And I'm working on doing a lot more. So make sure to stop by and like and subscribe. I'd love to have you there. Bye, guys. I put this on. My husband asked what this was earlier. He's like, how do you do this? And he sat there with his face in it. He's like, wow. If you want to turn it off before 2 minutes, you come and you press this heart 2 more times, and it will shut off. Well, I guess I didn't press it right.